guys, girl, person, whatever. Hi, welcome to my channel. Thank you for watching. So I just wanted to do this video as just a voiceover, mainly because I really did not feel like doing anything to my hair or to my face to look presentable to a camera. I just wanted to just kind of just talk while I, show you guys this. This is like a style I did a couple days ago, and pretty much this is just like pretty much just the stuff that I could not fit into a couple seconds on a Instagram post. But yeah, so I just want to get into what I wanted to talk about, which is just yeah. Okay, so I just wanted to talk about, I guess, my thoughts about starting a YouTube channel, what I expect based on the videos that I'm making, which are, geared towards natural hair. So maybe a little bit about the natural hair community too, not too much, but just a little bit. So basically I decided to start a channel about, hair, because I'm like, I do my hair anyway, so why not let people watch, why not, tell people what I do. There could be things that obviously have been out there for years, but maybe there's something different about my hair. I don't know. Maybe there's something different about what I do or what I choose to do versus what other people do, because I know I have very I have very controversial opinions about natural hair and the natural hair community, sort of. I don't know. They may not even be that controversial if I'm being honest, but they're just, opinions that I don't always feel comfortable putting out there. So I just choose not to, and I keep them to myself, which I might do a separate video about my in-depth thoughts about the natural hair community. But yeah, I'm just gonna give my thoughts about being, starting a YouTube channel, in hopes of being a beauty influencer, hair influencer, and just kind of thoughts about what I see online, I guess, with hair influencers, which isn't anything bad. Like, I can't think of any creator out there that is like this terrible content or anything weird like that. But I don't know, I just feel like there's no real instruction manual on how to get your foot in, which of course you can say that with any part of YouTube or any part of, we'll call it influence culture. So there's no real instruction manual, or maybe there is and I just haven't Googled it yet. But I don't know, it just seems like it's not hard, but it's interesting. It's definitely interesting. I do know that obviously it takes more than a month or a couple weeks to actually, build a following. But, with some of that, I just wonder, honestly, I really don't know. I'm not saying that it's hard. I'm not complaining by any stretch of the imagination. I'm having a lot of fun. I really like editing videos, even though sometimes it takes me hours. I'm learning now that I need to film in smaller segments so that it's easier to clip a video together, because filming everything from start to finish, and it took you like an hour to do your hair, you really want to sit through an hour of footage? Do you really want to sit through an hour of footage? I don't want to sit through an hour of footage. I don't want to sit there, go through, pick what I like, and then end up with 30 minutes of footage that I like, then have to clip that down to what, 5-10 minutes? Because who's gonna sit through a 30-minute video of you just doing your hair? I mean, some people like that kind of stuff. I really want to make like a hair porn compilation. That sounds weird, but people just like to see hair being detangled. The whole shower ASMR, shout out to that person who asked about that. I totally would do that, but I don't know, it doesn't necessarily sound like it's a lot of work, but I just haven't really felt that. Not to say I feel unmotivated. I am extremely motivated. Again, I'm having so much fun. I've never even delved into half these programs that I've used, or kind of looked into the science and the algorithm of of YouTube and Instagram. I've never concerned myself with any of that, but I'm starting to learn, and I think it's pretty interesting. I don't have any, I don't have any really, bad things to say about it. I think it is what it is, and it works. Is it fair? I don't think so, because if you have a certain look, if you have a certain body type, if you have a certain hair type even, you'll garner more attention, you'll garner more support. That's a given. Like, we know this, so it kind of puts me in a space where I think to myself, should I lose weight? Should I, go find a friend to take pictures of me, How do, to, build an aesthetic, But then I'm just kind of like, I don't really want to do all that. But I do 100% think that the influencers who put a lot of money into their equipment, into their computer setups, because I bought a whole new computer setup for this venture. I did buy a webcam, but I bought this like months ago and I have had it, but I just haven't had the right equipment to do film editing due to RAM and core processor issues with my laptop. So I bought an actual PC and it's been doing great. But yeah, I absolutely think that, the influencers out there who have been at this for a long time, who have incredible setups, who have incredible filming equipment, who have all the lights, I mean, they have gotten such a return on their investment, because this stuff is not cheap. Like, I didn't think it was hard. I didn't know what. You don't really think about how much this stuff costs and how much time it takes to edit a video. No, like, you just see the final product and you just keep it pushing, you like, comment, subscribe, share, etc. But some people do, but it's just me. I never thought about it. I thought nothing of what actually went into half these videos. And, the screen pop-ups and, putting your Instagram, tab, not tab, but kind of like putting like an Instagram icon with your Instagram name, stuff like that. Just pop up it at like the 3-minute mark of the video, but again at 5 minutes. Things like that are intentional. You have to place those in the in your editing process. You have to place them in the video, basically. I don't know. I've kind of gone on for too long. But I'm just gonna clip this in on my video. I'm not gonna edit any of this. If I do, I will edit a lot. But I would really be interested in any upcoming YouTubers, anybody else who's starting a hair YouTube channel, anybody who's in the DMV area, anything like that, and you just kind of want to talk and support each other about this journey of how to grow a social media platform or whatever, send me a message. Send me a message on Instagram in particular. I'll definitely see it, because I low-key do not check this email that I used. That I use for YouTube. I don't have to check it. That sounds terrible. But yeah, send me a message if you have any ideas, or you just want to talk about this topic in general, and let me know what your journey or your progress has been. Again, comment down below. Shoot me a message. I'll be on the lookout for it. Anyways, I thank you for listening to me ramble for so far 8 minutes. I appreciate it, and you enjoy your day. Bye.